Looking at the Fusil-Major on Ogor Warhulk today. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to continue our look at unboxing the Cities of Sigmar for Warhammer Age of Sigmar, and today we are looking at the Fusil-Major on Ogor Warhulk. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. Big thank you to all of my patrons for their continued support, and all you brand new ones as well. And of course, everybody here on YouTube, big thank you to everybody clicking that membership button. Huge thank yous. Fusil-Major on Ogor Warhulk. This was one of the earlier models we saw a preview for a while back when we were getting, the reveals for all the Cities of Sigmar stuff, and immediately this one jumped out at me because it's just so darn interesting. It's an ogre with a crow's nest, and apparently the Fusil-Major is riding around. And I mean, it makes sense, right? Because on the battlefield, you got to be up high and so you can see everything and you command, and I don't know, there's reasons for it, right? But anyway, this box is one Citadel miniature. Let's have a look at the back of the box. And yeah, pretty dark. Oh, he's even got options. Unhelmeted. Oh, even different Fusil, or like a Major. Very, very, oh, look at that. You can even do different poses. That is pretty darn interesting. I think that is really, really interesting that you get some options. I really wasn't thinking this model had options. I was thinking that it was just this duder and, away you go, right? And yeah, but I imagine because you probably have to have more than one of these models in your army, that's probably why they offer some modeling options, because, you're going to have a few of these guys running around the table. And for some people out there, who prefer to have their models be a little bit individual and, have their own personal flair and not every model look the same. I know there's plenty of modelers out there like that. So yeah, to be expected, I suppose. But anyway, yes, very, very cool. All right, enough gum flapping for me. Let's dive in. I'm grabbing my trusty, rusty blade of destiny here, and let's dive into the box. It's got cellophane on it, so I'm already a happy, happy guy. You know what? Yeah, let's come in. Let's come in a little close here. Okay, you guys ready? Ready? Here we go. Oh, that was a good one. Yeah. Let's do one more. One more. That one wasn't quite as good. The first one was better. Anyway, let's get this cellophane off there. This plastic wrap. This shrink wrap. What do you recall it? At some point, I'm probably going to have to do a supercut of all those sounds of the shrink wrap and everything like that. Anyway, let's dive in. It's got the nice little tab, the Cities of Sigmar. It's an S. On my world, it means hope. Anyway. We are greeted immediately with a nice big base. What is that, like a 50, a 60? And we get some transfers. The Cities of Sigmar transfer. I always do this. I always end up holding it upside down. Really, really fantastic transfer sheet for the Cities of Sigmar. I really enjoy that they give you all the icons for all the cities. Is it all the cities? I assume it's all the cities because there's a lot here. I'm willing to bet it is. At least everything that's in the battle tome, right? So yeah, it's pretty darn cool. What really gets me is the gold transfers. It's been a long time since I've seen gold on transfers and stuff like that, so I think that's really, really cool. Take a look at the instruction guide. It's actually pretty thick. It's got a couple pages to it. It's kind of surprising. So we're dealing with the 50 mil base. We have Buddy up in the crow's nest. We got one frame sheet of transfers. Looks like the Major, I don't know what he is, has two options, and the Ogre, I guess, has two options as well. Instructions seem pretty straightforward. Quite a bit of work into the little crow's nest thing. That's very interesting. Shield seems to be straightforward. It's just a shield. Yeah, look at that. Choose your variant. I don't know if these variants have different profiles or anything like that, but anyway, very, very cool. I do really enjoy that we get the different options. Yeah, I kind of like the unhelmeted duder. He just looks more brutal, as ogres tend to do. I really dig it. I like it. Wonderful piece. And then, of course, we got to look at the profile and everything like that. And then we get the frame. And the frame that has all the glorious parts on it. This model is only one frame, but it's only one model. So, like, you know, how many frames were you expecting? Look how big the ogre is. Okay, well, we're definitely going to have to come in for a closer look at that. And, I don't know. What do we usually do? A sniff? We have a sniff around? Let's have a sniff around. Okay, so we're having a look here. We're just starting off on one side of the frame. You can see all the big body parts of the ogre. Big old boots. And somebody's little finger hand. A finger hand. That's how that's described, right? A finger hand. Yeah, I like that. Here's the major's body, but here's the ogre's arm. He's just huge. Also upside down view of the head here. Really, really fantastic details. Like, look at the wood texture. Look at that. And I like that the shields have that curvature to them and everything like that. No idea what these parts are. Or that part. Or those parts. Everybody's like, yes, Chris, we know. You don't know what's going on. Story of my life, really. Oh, yeah, look at that. At first, I thought that was like a Wolverine claw. I was going, who's got Wolverine claws? All right, you know what? Let's do a close-up or a closer look at his head. Oh, yeah, look at this guy. He's crazy. Almost like he's got Space Wolf symbols on his head. And where's that other head? Where's the other ogre head? Yeah. You know what? I really like this ogre head. That face. Anybody who's watched the original He-Man movie, the live-action film, that's what that dude looks like. He looks like the Beast Man. Anyway, let's have a look at the backside here. Not the backside, but you know what I mean. Yeah, these are really cool. Look at all the detail. Look at the chainmail. Look at how nice and deep those details are. Fantastic. Oh, he does have two different clubs, doesn't he? Yes, because he's got different arms, right? He can hold the shield with his left arm or his right arm. That's right. That cactus is right. Really, really cool. Look at the duder. Looks like Doc Brown or some character from some movie. Oh yeah, let's look at the other head here. The other major head. Oh, I kind of like that one. Looks like Tesla. Maybe Tesla is part of the army. How do you know? You don't know for sure. All right, let's come in for the old sniff test. Let's do a sniff test. Let's do it. Smells like BO and black powder. Oh, yeah, you know, ogres, right? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? There's not much you can do. It's ogres, you know. What are you going to do? All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. That is our look at the Fusil-Major on Ogor Warhulk. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box. Big thank yous to my patrons for their continued support and all you brand new ones as well. Huge thank yous. And of course, if you're watching this on YouTube, which, you know, pretty much everybody is, memberships down below, click it and, you know, click whatever makes sense to you. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell all help the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everyone who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Maybe a live stream. Maybe a battle report. Maybe... Oh no, that's it. That's all I do. That's all. Anyway. Okay, bye.